Alright, 2015 Nissan Altima S 4-cylinder. The main stuff when you having problem to pass a emission is this hose right here. It's a bend hose. So I just get a regular hose, put some silicone around the PCV valve, bend it right back down into it, put some clamp on. That's one of your problems. If you're not getting that monitor right, or the cat is not getting ready, you have vacuum leak, this is the #1 hose. Also the boot, you check the boot, you smoke the boot. All right, and the key problem, see that cat? Put on the light. See, I put that muffler paste, you wouldn't even know it's leaking right between there. So if your cat is not getting ready or you can't pass emission, check those main points, and they're gonna help you get your monitors and everything ready. Hopefully that was helpful enough, and like and subscribe.